Concentration is one of the essential elements for supporting our daily works and activities. There are many factors affect your concentration quality.
Hey.
Commonly, there are sound, light, mood, and mental health. If those elements are in bad situation, you may feel hard to concentrate. As an university student, you may commonly find the working efficiency is lowered after overnight working, or even losing contact while chatting with friends.
Have you ever tried to improve your concentration with different methods? Chewing gum may help you a lot in short-term situations.
To ensure chewing gum can enhance your concentration, we had conducted an experiment. As higher concentration would have a better memory, the testing materials would mainly focus on testing the memory. The experiment will be separated into two parts: visual concentration and hearing concentration. These are the required materials for the experiments. Some materials are needed to be the same in each experiment. They are chewing gum, timer, earphone, and the venue for conducting the experiments.
If you are interested in the experiment, you can try it together. Let's start. There are 3 parts in the experiment. First, you need to read the worksheet for 30 seconds and listen to the audio once. Then you need to memorize the contents and mark them on the answer sheet. Take a 1-minute break and start the test again with chewing gum at the beginning. Test styles are the same, but content have been changed. Have another 1-minute break. Finally, you need to chew a gum for 2 minutes. Then, repeat the experiment once more. After the test, you may feel the difference between chewing a gum and not. How about the volunteers?
What are your feelings on the visual and listening ability before and after chewing gum?
I actually found no big difference before and after chewing gum when I do the visual test, which is the color test. Whereas I found that after I had the chewing gum, and especially for 2 minutes later, for the listening part, I was more concentrated and I can remember most of them. So I found that chewing gum for listening part may be more helpful. Yeah,
Thank you.
For the visual part, I think after chewing gum, it helps to create a frequency. When I chew once, I can remember one of the color box you provided for me. Then it helps me to strengthen my concentration in the visual part. However, for the listening part, there is not many big difference before and after chewing gum. Yes, thank you.
The result is quite unexpected because originally I thought chewing gum will have no effect on me. However, when after really experiencing, I found that when chewing, I really can concentrate more onto the listening, where my problems were. So definitely chewing gum will help me concentrate more onto the listening, or my listening abilities.
Thank you.
Different people may find different influence on concentration by chewing gum. Anyway, let us show you the reasons behind. When you start chewing a gum, your brain is warming up at the same time. It names mastication-induced arousal. At the same time, your blood flow will speed up 25 to 40%. It then fastens your heartbeat and increase blood pressure. During this time, respiration will enhance with taking more oxygen and release more carbon dioxide. So, how the process above give advantage to your concentration? The process above will generate more energy for organs and muscles to function better. It also activates your hemisphere to work better together for memories. Apart from this, your negative feelings can be released because the gum serves as a punching bag. It may help in extending your attention time. So you now can understand the power of chewing gum.
Although chewing gum is not a must for keeping focus, it is still suggested to you for sustained alertness and reaction in short-term situations. Nevertheless, enough rest for your brain is more efficient and healthier for your body. Chewing gum is only a temporary method to extend the workability.